I'm Robert Bell, and we're here with WTA members, friends, and colleagues at the IBC2014 show, looking at the vast changes taking place in the media and entertainment industry and how those are going to shape the future for teleport operators worldwide.
Well, one of the major trends, I think, is what I mentioned earlier. It's how generic IT technologies like big data and artificial intelligence are going to impact on how we manage those environments. Whereas we've been focusing a lot on getting control of those components. We're now going to start building generations of software that are way more intelligent, that can analyze, these very complex environments and are going to be able to, make them even more efficient than what they are today. It has changed a lot. Where a long time ago it was very much focused on providing just an RF pipe. People gradually started providing more services, end-to-end services, video encoding services, all kinds of IP services, turnkey solutions really. These days there's a very strong demand to even broaden that portfolio and to combine terrestrial and satellite communication services. And it's very important for those operators to be able to provide that as a single service, not only as the two components separately. It's a single service end-to-end, whether it includes the satellite or the terrestrial component or both. Skyline is today considered to be the global leading supplier in what we call the new generation of multi-vendor end-to-end network management systems. So essentially this is a new, very powerful network management software technology that enables operators to build a solution that manages every possible product that they have in their complete ecosystem, creating an unrivaled end-to-end perspective on their entire operation. For our customers, of course, it means that there can be more competitive. They can provide more flexible solutions, more cost-efficient solutions, more reliable solutions. Specifically for what it is that we do, it is a very important strategic move because Data-Miner, being an end-to-end network management solutions, it enables those operators to start managing those very different technologies from a single platform. Now, once you can do that, you can consider that as one component. You can start provisioning services across those different platforms. So you can monitor and manage those across different platforms, and then you can go on to the next step. A very important move these days is also the integration with the business. Operators these days, the network management system is no longer a single component. It's integrated with the customer relationship management system, a billing system, a scheduling system, for example, a trouble ticketing platform. So once you have that end-to-end perspective, you can kind of tie that into that end-to-end perspective on the business level. I mean, we have, for example, satellite operators that have to move content on a daily basis. For example, news items, news that is collected across different regional offices, across large territorial areas. So they have to move it around very quickly, very efficiently, and a solution like Data-Miner enables them to just input all what they want to move into a scheduling system, for example, and then the system will automatically find the most efficient solution, provided a certain bandwidth on satellite that is available. And Data-Miner, for example, then goes ahead and starts scheduling, starts configuring equipment, moves the content, releases the bandwidth again, moves on to the next, content, etc. I think one of the very important things is that Skyline is a software company, okay? Whereas in the past a lot of the software in the satellite industry was kind of something that was created on the side by, satellite engineers. In our company, we're very much focusing on combining the best of both worlds. We bring in the expertise from, the very specific satellite industry, but we combine that with people with very strong skills in advanced IT technology. We're talking big data, we're talking artificial intelligence. These are technologies that you use in a lot of other industries. What we try to do is really get the cutting-edge software technology and see how we can leverage that to make those, environments even better. There's always, certain advantages that you have, whether it's, covering a certain geographic area, for example, or, adding more capacity. There's always going to be a competitive edge that is going to justify, to having that satellite segment as a strategic component in an overall operation.